a tree.
No!
Well, you're going to have to wait till after the fireworks, honey. I'm sorry.
That's big dirt inside. That's happy inside.
Happy inside?
Not happy inside.
Oh.
Daddy, anyone get back my blanket? Yeah, that's what I'm doing now. What's that, Mommy?
What? Blue, green. Isn't that pretty?
Fireworks. Blue, it's got blue, blue. It got blue, 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 blue. It got blue, blue. It got blue, blue. It got big shoes.
Is that too hot? There's red. Ooh, that was pretty. Okay, honey. Okay. Ooh, there's a big one.
Fireworks.
See, what did I say? Just stop where we are. Look at, that's exactly what they're doing.
Yeah, and they're not getting a very good view from over there either.
Hi, Capri, I am Supergirl. I am too. You know what? I think having my blanket would help.
Will you get
Supergirl? You're not a superhero.
Why are all the lights still on?
Mommy, why are the lights?
Before he opened it up.
Maybe somebody must have left the door open. You want to sit with Daddy? And get down?
I'm a Supergirl. I am Supergirl.
Ooh, red. Okay, get down, honey. Please get down. Thank you. Ooh, that was a very pretty colors. Look, Mary. Look at the pretty colors. They're not showing up very well on the video.
Wait, you're recording the
They're pretty
video?
far away.
Mom, you're recording the video?
Yeah, I figured why not?
Hey, post it on Facebook.
Ooh, those were pretty. Are you looking, Mary? Are you watching?
There's still a light on in there. Door's closed.
Maybe somebody left their reading light on.
Yeah, that was Catherine's light.